In this video you will learn the exact best products from Prozis. I gotta admit, not all of their products are worth recommending. I've been using their products around 2 years, so this is not just some random, oh, I got this free product, look, it's the best I've ever tried. So actually I've used these products for over 2 years and chosen only the ones that I really recommend on a daily basis. I have some supplements, foods, then some hygiene products, and in the end the absolute best workout sets like this one I'm currently wearing. This Athleisure t-shirt is so nice. And that's about it. You have a discount code CINIMALISM10 that you can use at Prozis. And on top of that, on their websites, many times there are other discount codes. So what's special about Prozis is that you can combine the discount code CINIMALISM10 plus the ones you find from their website. So, because many times you can't combine discount codes, but Prozis is different on that. So CINIMALISM10, and check if they have some extra ones during the time of your order on their website. Let's start from the supplements and foods. Unfortunately, all of them are not something to recommend because I don't like eating healthy products that are actually not that healthy. You know, like these protein bars and stuff that stores are full of. So I've left now only the products I've been using on a daily basis for a bit longer time. I'll explain you why these are the ones I really recommend ordering and trying from Prozis. Of course, you can go ahead and try the other products. Good thing what they have on their website is they have very good ingredient list, so you don't need to like buy a random product and wonder what it's made of, but you can really clearly see it at Prozis. I forgot to mention all of their products are made in Europe. The brand is Portuguese, and that's really nice as well when ordering the clothes from there. Many people are wondering how is the whey protein from Prozis. Personally, I'm not a big fan of whey protein in general, but my boyfriend really likes using this one. I've ordered this unflavored one because I think it's best to add to smoothies and it doesn't have all kinds of random sweeteners. And this package price of the big one, this is 1 kilo. It's really good kilo price, and this is like good shit without extra sweeteners and such. Of course, they have all kinds of flavored ones, but I recommend taking the unflavored. But that's just my preference. I don't like having all kinds of random stuff. But yeah, so this is not what I use personally if I want to add protein. This is what I add to my smoothies. 100% egg white albumin, so it's made from egg whites, as it says, and it doesn't taste like anything. It just adds a lot of protein to your smoothie. It's got 80 grams of protein per 100 grams, so it's really easy to add protein intake. This is a little bit pricey one, but I bought this many months ago when there's still like over 1/3 left. Although I add it almost every morning to a smoothie. So this one I can really recommend. It's a protein powder that doesn't taste like anything, and it's natural, more natural than, you know, all these random products out there that I wouldn't eat. So yeah, that's about the proteins I can recommend from Prozis. Other thing, what I sometimes use, they have these more small sachets. The reason I use this because these are super handy to take to gym. I don't need to take a separate water bottle or carry something like this to gym. I can simply drink my water, then refill it and add the powder. Well, actually this chocolate one, this is vegan chocolate powder. This is better in smoothies, to be honest, because this is a bit floury. So I really love to add this with banana to a smoothie. But yeah, the sachet is really handy. And this was actually really good. I just had this yesterday at the spa after sauna, after gym. So it's clear, whey isolates, refreshing, juicy protein, green, apple flavor. So it's nice. And here, yeah, you can check all these ingredients on the website, so you don't need to just buy random stuff. Yeah, of course these have some sweeteners from sucralose, from stevia. So that's the only thing. That's why at home I use these unsweetened things, but these are really easy when traveling or taking with you to gym. Before I get to the foods, one last thing from the supplements I recommend from Prozis is creatine. They have, I took this one, creatine monohydrate, 100% pure creatine, maximum solubility. Sorry, English is not my first language, I'm from Finland, so the pronunciation might be as it is, but this is really good creatine. Also doesn't taste like anything, and it doesn't, it's really well mixed with the water or whichever liquid you want to mix it with. Normally I take this sometimes after gym with some water. Really good product. Also a bit pricier. I think this was like 60 euros. I mean, it's not pricey if you want a good creatine, but you know, like if you want to buy a good one, this is it, and this also lasts very long. I've used this for quite a while, still half of it is left. So these are the supplements I recommend. Then to the foods. As mentioned, I don't really like flavored waters, all kinds of sweet, sugary bars that are claimed to be healthy. But there are a few things that are really good at Prozis. I do like they have this Billion bar. It's like a peanut butter tasting bar. I can't really say that that's much more healthier than Snickers, but I really like taking those for a hike. Like, it's just a nice snack. And but other than that, these are something I use on a daily basis at home. I order peanut butter from there. They have crunchy and smooth version. I took this 1 kilo because it's really affordable to buy like big chunks of stuff from them. You can see all of my stuff is like 1 kilo, because once you buy this it lasts quite long. So peanut butter. Then the granolas. The granolas of Prozis are the best thing ever. I've had them in many flavors. They have the one that's not flavored. Now they had this new one called Super Granola. I agree with that. It's got no sweeteners, like no aspartame and random shit. This is acai, strawberry and white chocolate. So good. I mean, this is a little bit sweet, so I like to add it just with Greek yogurt without any extra sweet stuff. Then this one, protein granola forest fruits. This is also vegan, so these are, I just really like the granolas from there. They've been much better than from any grocery stores. And what else I recommend from Prozis is matcha. They have very good quality matcha. This big bag of 100 grams is, I think, $9.90 or something like that. Plus then you can use the discount code CINIMALISM10. Really good matcha powder. Then they have lots of seeds. I order my chia seeds, pumpkins, they have pistachio, everything basics like this. It's good price and good quality. And yeah, now I have chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, cacao nibs. Super nice basics. It's really easy to order, add to your order once you're getting something else. I just really like getting these basics from there. Oat flakes, these are like the same price or cheaper than in a regular store. I live in Spain where it's already quite affordable, but this is like, I think it's just a great place to get these basics, and it's got no like added sugars and such. So these are the ones I can recommend. There's a lot of other products that I have tested from Prozis, but yeah, it comes down to this from the food and supplements. Oh, one more thing that I really like from them is the porridges. They have like this Whey oatmeal, because it's super easy to take with you. I've had it at the airport, I've had it when hiking. It's just super nice. Also, if you're lazy at home, just add water and you have a really nice oatmeal. Let's get to the shampoos, lotions, hygiene products. I've tried a lot of the facial lotions from Prozis, but unfortunately, I'm not having them here to recommend. They are not bad, but they are not like, wow, this is the best ever. So these are the best ever products that I keep on ordering from Prozis. They have nice shampoos, Fresh Bliss Nutritive Shampoo for all hair types. I like using this. It's good, basic quality shampoo. And now I also ordered conditioner, Dermacalm conditioner. Then they also have this hair mask. Now I have it at the gym locker. I don't have it here, but it's super good face mask, what they have at Prozis as well. That is worth trying. For traveling, you can see these are very used because I've been always traveling with this solid shampoo and solid conditioner. These are so good. Super easy to take with you. This is the shampoo. It actually foams very well. That many people wonder about these. I mean, I was suspicious as well before trying first time this solid shampoo, but this Prozis one, it's great. And honestly, it's very cheap because this lasts like forever. And then I have the conditioner as well. I prefer the shampoo, like it's great. The conditioner is a bit harder to like put to your hair when it's in the solid form. So that's why I prefer this normal conditioner, but for traveling this is great, you know, to have this on your hand luggage. So yeah, I many times travel just with hand luggage, so these are just super handy. Well, this is for my boyfriend. He likes these basic things. Hair and body wash, lemongrass fragrance, 2-in-1. You know, men need this kind of 2-in-1. Wash your hair, wash your car, wash your dog, wash your laundry, whatever. Well, this is for hair and body, super simple. He just likes using this, so I get this always for him from Prozis. Okay, last from these hygiene products that I can really recommend is the argan oil. This goes for hair, this goes for skin. I like using this for massage. This does work also for face if you want to do like gua sha massage. So like this. But yeah, it's really good for the hair, good for the skin. And that's about it. Of course you can discover also the facial lotions. I've used them for a few months. But these are the only ones I really recommend. Then let's get to the best part, which are the outfits. One more thing before the clothes are these flippers. They have a lot of different kinds of flippers at Prozis in really good colors. So I have these beige ones. I think I have this also in lavender, a bit higher one. So these are just handy, you know, at summer, at home. But let's get to the clothes. From all the Prozis collections, my favorite is Athleisure. So I like really simple, minimalistic style. So this is your go-to selection for that. They just got these really nice Athleisure T-shirts. They have it in T-shirt and long sleeve. This is the navy blue. These are the shorts. These shorts are actually mid-waist. So I recommend going for mid-waist because the high waist comes like very high. Mid-waist is like high waist in my opinion. I'm wearing size M. In general at Prozis I recommend sizing up. Normally in other brands I'm wearing size S, but at Prozis I always size up to M. I'm using this with the Muse with bra. This was just 20 euros without the discount, so with the Cinimalism 10 and other discount codes. It's crazy affordable, it's so nice fit. If you really need a good support from the sports bra, maybe it's not for you, but I prefer just light support. This is great for yoga, pilates. Yeah, honestly. Athleisure sets and then this Muse Fit bra. I'm in love, I have it in many colors. I'll show you the brown one. Okay, this is the dark brown Athleisure set, mid-waist tights and this bra, both wearing size M. I also ordered it in shorts because I'm just in love with this dark brown color, and just now they launched a t-shirt in the same color. So Athleisure set is what you should go for if you also like minimalistic simple style, good quality, really soft material, ideal for yoga, pilates, even for gym, but it's not like super tight and compressive. For that one I have another collection to show you. But I mostly love practicing pilates. You can join my free challenges at cinimalism.studio. But I have this also in burgundy. This burgundy set is also super nice, and then I took the Athleisure bra also in this off-white color. Really nice neutrals, simple design. And then I have the same set in black, but that's simple, nice one. Then they have crop tops. This is really cute one. I love the colors they have. I have this in olive green as well. This one I've worn a lot as well when teaching pilates, doing yoga. Then they got also a lot of nice basic t-shirts. This I have actually in size XS, so these loose fit ones you can take regular size or even size down. But in the other ones I'm wearing size M. If you want really high-waisted tights, these alpine tights are for you. Also wearing size M. These are not too compression either. Personally, I don't really like wearing compression tights anymore, but they have a lot of good ones at Prozis. But this one, alpine tights, you can wear it like this, or you can fold from the waistband as well. This is super comfy as well, and these I've been wearing a lot. Let me show you then something that is such a shapewear. For everyday use, I just got myself these Essence high-waist flared pants. Honestly, these are my all-time favorites from now on for everyday use on a daily life. All will be delivered in this kind of paper card box, so not in plastic. I just received them and honestly, what have I done until now? These are super good. Last but not least, they have a lot of nice long sleeves. I have this, well, surprise from the Athleisure collection as well. This is super nice, loose fit. I took size S, so it's really good. Go with your regular size, don't size up on this one. I really like this, it's super soft. It's not too thick. And yeah, then other thing they had, I think it was called Kinetic jacket. It had like a zip in the middle. I haven't tried that one yet, but that looked super nice. They had it in black, gray and light blue. So these are the most recommended sets from me. They have a lot of other collections more for compression. But for me, these are perfect for Pilates, yoga, the kind of training I like to do, especially with the simple style. Simple colors, no big logos. Here, just a little Prozis logo. Use code CINIMALISM10 if you order from them. And how it works with the returns. You have 2 weeks time to return for free. And obviously you need to have it in the same condition as you received it. And then you will be refunded. If you want to change the size or color, it works so that you return the product and reorder. So there's not exactly an exchange, but then it's like return and reorder. I have ordered these clothes to Spain and to Finland and all the other products I showed, and always the delivery has been 1 to 2 days, so really fast. And if you have any more questions about the products, feel free to comment below, use code CINIMALISM10, and remember to check also from their website for possible other discount codes. But I can hand on heart recommend these products from Prozis that I just showed you. All of their products are not as awesome, but these are the absolute go-to products I recommend going for. And all of them are really affordable, like this Athleisure collection is also really cheap. The bras start from 25 euros and then you get the discount. The MuseFit bra that had the really nice open back, it's less than 20 euros, so it's kind of crazy because they're also all products produced in Europe. So yeah, this is me every day in Prozis. Thanks for watching and comment if you would like me to try some other athletic wear brand and I'll review it for you. You can find more discount codes at www.cinimalism.studio/discount codes and more reviews on the best workout tights, and you'll also find free yoga and Pilates challenges from there. See you there, bye!